Hey guys, I'm back here, Sup Tutorials, and I'm bringing you a div tag tutorial. So, just this, so I thought I might have not explained myself too well about div tags, and you might get confused. So here's my div tag tutorial. So, div tags are created with the coding div, like that, with an opening angle bracket before it. Then after you do div, you want to name it. And to name it, you can either use an ID, and then click enter, and then name it test ID. You normally do underscores when you would do a space ID, and then closing bracket, then open angling bracket, then /, and it'll automatically do that for you if you're using Dreamweaver. You then want to click enter. And by clicking enter, you really just click enter. I don't really know why I said by clicking enter. I was in my tutorial voice. So, after you click enter, I'm just going to quickly make another div. But this time, instead of being an ID, it's going to be a class. Like so, and I'm going to call this test underscore class. I'm going to close and then open, then /. So now, if you were to edit this in our CSS style sheet, as you can see here, if you were to edit our test ID, you would go into the style sheet and you would type in hash, and then you would type in test underscore ID, then you'll do two squiggly brackets, then go in the middle, click enter. And now if you were to do that in a CSS, it would pop up and it would go in the middle, just it wouldn't go at the end like it does in our HTML format. And then you would say you want to change the height. You type in height, not semicolon, just column. Then you want to type in, let's say 190 pixels. That's all easier when you're actually in a CSS thing. But if you're going to actually change the class, that's a different story. Instead of changing it with a hash, you'd use a period sign. Then you'll type in test underscore class. Then you would put two squiggly brackets, and then you'll do the exact same thing. So we're going to change the height, semicolon. Then you want to change to 180 pixels, column, and then click enter, and it will do so on. If you wanted to change the width, for example, to 980 pixels, and then semicolon. So that's in just one example of different things that you can do in a div, an ID, and a class div. So I just really wanted to explain to you that part of the div. If you don't know what a div looks like because you haven't seen my other tutorials, it's a dotted line around the things. It's the things that allow you to put things in more organized fashion. Make sure you check out my other tutorial guys, because you probably won't understand any of this, and you might want to know how to make a website yourself. So you might know how to make this title thing if you like it or whatever. And I'm bringing you a new tutorial. I think I might make that my motto. It's pretty cool. But that's just the div tutorial, guys. Quite simple. Make sure you guys check it out. My making this is a part of it. This is episode 2, obviously. So see you guys, and there's my div tutorials, and peace out.